They say space is the final frontier, but for a maker, the real frontier is perfecting the craft. Today, we're remastering a classic, the USS Enterprise. The NCC-1701 is an icon of hope and exploration. To get this right, the black fills on the insignia need to be deep and consistent, no banding, just pure subspace shadow. Many fans forget that the original Enterprise was about clean lines and functional design. Our laser settings today are dialed in to capture that 1960s futurism on organic wood. This isn't just a coaster, it's a piece of Starfleet history. By slowing down the traverse speed, we get that burnt-in look that makes the delta pop against the grain. A remaster fit for a captain's quarters. Whether you're a fan of Kirk, Spock, or just great engineering, this one is for you. Boldly go, and I'll see you in the comments.